Meaning of flipping.
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 Flipping. Flipping refers to the act of buying an asset, such as a stock or a property, and then selling it quickly for a profit. This practice is often used in real estate, where an investor purchases a property, makes renovations or improvements, and then sells it at a higher price. Flipping can also refer to the act of buying and reselling goods or currencies for profit. The result of flipping is typically a quick profit, but it can also come with risks such as market fluctuations or unexpected expenses.